everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica. Today I have my Supernatural Pan Interrupted update for you. This is not going to be the most exciting update because it's the beginning of the year. First quarter is always really rough for me to get products completely done because I bring so much in at the very beginning of the year that everything is a conflict and it is what it is. If you have not seen this project before, this was a project that I created originally with my girl Amanda. She's on hiatus. She's been on hiatus for over a year. I'm not sure when she's coming back. She says she wants to, but you know, she's got a lot going on in her life. So I have people always asking me about that. She is fine. She is fine. She's just doing life. She's enjoying her life right now, and she's busy. She got a lot going on. So lots of people have joined in. I'm going to have them listed down below. If you are not listed in my description box and you have joined into this project, let me know. I want to get you put into my description box so people can find you. This project is all about the show Supernatural, which I love, and I'm sad that it's over, but you know, that's what they make box sets for, right? Our intention is to pan a product for every episode that ever aired, all 15 seasons. It's going to take forever, and I'm okay with that. It is a very difficult project because a lot of the content is a little dark, a little sinister sometimes. It is, if you are not familiar with Supernatural, it is literally the battle of good versus evil. So there's some good campy episodes, but there's a lot of really dark, deep, heavy episodes. And makeup and beauty just generally doesn't lend itself to that. So you have to get very creative on how you link your products. So it is a challenge. Every time I have to bring in something new, it is a big challenge. But I enjoy a good challenge. So I'm going to get into this. I still have one product that is a carryover from season 3. It is my only remaining product from season 3. And I am at least halfway through season 4, and I don't know if the season 3 product is going to be done by the time I hit season 5. It's just one of those, it's going to take me forever. This is for Time Is On My Side. Is a doctor that is obsessed with eternal life, youth, and that kind of stuff. So I have the Exuviance Age Reverse. In other words, not getting older. This is the hand peel. This is the hand rejuvenator peel, and this is the hand rejuvenator cream. You can see I went from here. What are the lines? There's a little blue line in there, and I am at the red line. I'm not holding it quite steady, I'm sure. I have made progress. I've used this like 3 or 4 times since the last update, which is not enough to really make major progress because it doesn't take a whole lot. And then I went from the gold to the red here on the Rejuvenator cream. This is going to be done before this is done, but I have other creams that will work just as fine with the peel itself. I'm not worried about that. This is the big guy that needs to get done. I have definitely picked up my usage this time of year, but it's still going to take some time. It is what it is. All right, let's move on to season 4, After School Special. I have this Bobbi Brown Free Spirit. I have not used it at all. It is not in my current makeup basket. It probably, hopefully, maybe will be in my next makeup basket. I've never used a lip oil, which this is like a gloss oil. So I don't know how long it's going to take. I'm going to guess quite a while. Next one is for Sex and Violence. I have the Calvin Klein Obsession. I wanted to use this 5 times. I've used it twice. I am hoping that I will have those last 3 uses done before the next update. And I'm filming this a little bit earlier, which is why I only have 2 uses on that. Moving on to Death Takes a Holiday. I have the Bath & Body Works Ultimate Hydration Body Cream. My dog is going crazy out there because he's my dog. This is like the holiday packaging. It is a Vanilla Bean Noel. Is definitely a holiday scent. I brought this in at 255 grams. It's only at 247 grams now. Not massive usage, but at least I did use it some. It's better than nothing, right? I hear people coming through the gate, so I feel like my kids might be bombarding in on me any second, or they're using my bathroom. Probably the bathroom. Moving on to, on the head of a pin, I have the Soapbox Argan Oil Conditioner, and I've made good progress on this one. I was up here, now I'm down here. I don't know if I can have this done by the next update, but I'm almost finished with another conditioner that I split time with. So this could actually pick up usage, maybe. If it's not done, it's going to be very, very close. And the last one, It's a Terrible Life. I have the Prime Natural Essential Oil. There were the Stress Relief Blend. It was new when I brought it in, and now I am down to here. It's one of those that's just going to be slow going. It's going to be in here for several months, most likely, unless I decide to put it in some like lotions or something like that. I have a couple that I'm working on that are unscented, so I might throw it in like a few drops in there and just get some usage on it that way. Because sometimes I will put this in a roller ball with carrier oil and just put it on my pulse points. Every now and again I'll diffuse it. I have not diffused any of this yet. I just feel like this is one that I want on my person because, you know, everyone needs some stress relief in their life. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Definitely go check out everyone else that has joined in. If you would like to join in, we would love to have you along on this panning journey. It's just, if you like supernatural and panning and it seems like something you want to do, you know, join in. I would love to have you along. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.